We're spending the weekend at Grandma's house. It's after dinner time and we are ready for a little bit of dessert. So today we're gonna make these Galaxy donuts from I'm the Chef 2. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys an awesome subscription box called I'm the Chef 2, and I want to thank them for sending us over one of these boxes for free so that we can test it out and make a video for you guys. Here it is.
And they're obviously going to be so delicious. They actually look like galaxy stars that are shaped like donuts.
They do. So let's look inside. So we have this box here. We're going to open it up. All right, so what do we have here?
We have these two like little donut shapers.
Okay, we have the donut cake pan.
We have this, the flour.
We have 1 cup of pancake mix.
And we have also this.
We have a card here with the how to make the marble galactic gaze and the Galaxy Donuts ingredients and the steps.
We also have these.
We have all the ingredients that are needed come in the box. So we have 3/4 powdered sugar, 3/4 cup, and then we have, oops, I dropped it, 2 teaspoons sugar. And then what's also cool is that this box includes STEM, science, and cooking into one kit. So while our donuts are baking, we have a little bit of astronomy and math lesson that we can do. It talks about the constellations. It gives you something to try. And it also has how much would you weigh and different activities on the back of this card. Then for our activity and craft, we have a cork board, some rubber bands and a toothpick, a glue stick, some pins, and we have a constellation star chart. So this is all really cool. Not sure what we're going to do with this yet, but first we're going to get started on our donuts. You ready, guys?
Yummy donuts, yeah. This is going to be delicious.
My kids were so excited for this box, and it went perfectly with our space unit. These boxes blend food, STEM, and the arts to give your little bakers a chance to feel like a chef too. And today my kids got to step in the shoes of an astronomer and explore the solar system by baking these galactic donuts and learning about galaxies and constellations. We added a science video to our lesson, as you'll see, as the donuts were baking.
Something much, much bigger, a galaxy. A galaxy is a huge bunch of stars that are clustered together in space. And the galaxy
This box had so many activities to keep my little bakers busy while they waited for their donuts. Now it's time for the highly anticipated galactic glaze. What I also love about these boxes is that each recipe is infused with educational concepts and a surprise adventure with a STEAM activity, specialty, supplies, and pre-measured dry ingredients. We will definitely be subscribing to I'm a Chef 2. There's kits to make cupcake geodes, edible dinosaur terrarium, an erupting volcano cake, and so much more. So if you guys are interested in checking out this amazing subscription box, head over to imthechef2.com, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.